Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will learn the color blue. This is blue. And here are the things that are blue. The butterfly is blue. What's the color of the butterfly? The flower is blue. What's the color of the flower? The helmet is blue. What's the color of the helmet? The jacket is blue. What's the color of the jacket? The cup is blue. What's the color of the cup? The table is blue. What's the color of the table? The mask is blue. What's the color of the mask? The umbrella is blue. What's the color of the umbrella? The comb is blue. What's the color of the comb? The teapot is blue. What's the color of the teapot? Well done, kids! You want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!